So this right here is the Betta. My wife and I like to call it the Starship Enterprise. We have to give our pool cleaners names. As you can see from the bottom, we need to clean out this one with our other machines, but this one right here skims the top of the pool. I'm just going to kind of show you how it works. It's solar powered. If you look at the very top, that entire little top part, other than the little clear oval that you see, is solar powered. It has a switch on the back that you can see down there, right below the Betta. You slide that to the left and the right to shut it off. But as you can see, it's got those little spinners on the front wheels or on the front of the unit that actually kind of steer it around the pool. And it just goes back and forth, cleaning the top of the pool, skimming off the bugs and the leaves and all the other crap that lands on the top of your pool. What's nice about it though is it has just a little clasp on the front. You lift up the solar cover handle and there's a little basket inside. You can dump it out and rinse it out. And once you do that, just put the basket back in, close it, set it back in the pool. This thing will run 24/7 as long as just gotten a full charge from the sun. My wife and I love this thing. It saves us from having to do a lot of skimming with a pool skimmer. So if you're considering saving yourself some time when it comes to cleaning your pool, whether it's above ground or in ground, these Betta skimmers that are solar powered are pretty awesome. So we've had this one for quite some time now, and I clearly give this thing 5 stars. As long as it's sitting in the sun, as you can see that it is now out here in the sun, it's charging, so it runs constantly.